think it's one of the most real worlds that we've been a part of on screen. When you watch it, I think you'll know the difference between real and real is not that much. They are very real characters, they're very real situations, it's shot very really as well. I think everything is very, very relatable, so it's quite real. I think Neha Rajvansh is a very real, very flawed character, trying to do the right thing. She's someone who stands up for her values and her principles. She will fight to get it right. And for me, it was a very, very interesting character to play because I've never played a lawyer before. The whole courtroom scenes and all of that, doing that was very, very interesting, very, very fun for me as an actor. And so I think overall it was something that I just kind of became,
You said flawed. In what sense flawed?
Like how we are all flawed, like how a real person would have many concerns morally, very would change their mind constantly. We're not perfect. Nobody is perfect in this world, and neither is Neha, and she owns it. Really enjoyed working with each other. I mean, I feel like our work ethic is very similar.
Yeah.
No? Yeah. Like I felt like this is a nice person to work with, to have on set. And she's such a fabulous actor. So I think that really elevates your own performance. So I think it was great.
I'd
love to work with her
people
again.
Also, I think we're very similar. We're on time.
Yeah.
We're on
very
time.
rare.
And we believe in the similar concepts and the similar kind of films. I think she's also made some wonderful choices all through her career. And I feel we just connected. When you connect, like you said, when you connect in real life, then cinema is like, it just happens.
She's quite an entertaining person in real life, and but what she brings to the table in terms of like we're playing characters that are so grounded in reality and vulnerable. I think the way she brings out those particular factors which are very, very relatable to a general person who's watching the film as well, I think she does that beautifully. The seriousness of this film, of the situations, of the subject, I think demanded something really different from her as well, because this is not the kind of film that she's been making in the past. It was a very different way to go for her, and I think she maneuvered that really, really well, and it was really refreshing to see her kind of bring out something like what she did in System. Yeah, and it's so beautiful, subtly done.
Yeah,
like it's so subtly. It's not in your face. It's not like you're drawing her attention to it. जिसको देखना है वो देख लेगा और वो समझ जाएगा. So I feel like she's done this very beautifully.
Very nice.
तो ज़्यादा ट्रूथ बोलो तो वो पिक्चर भी बंद हो जाती है ना आज के टाइम में. It's difficult to speak the whole and entire truth. So I think people are much more careful with the subjects that they're choosing, with the truth they want to get out there, with what they're trying to convey. So yeah, I think we live in slightly difficult times as creative people. We don't have that freedom anymore. I think you have to be, especially in the industry that we are in. You have to be kind to yourself because very few people are going to do that for you. And I think it's a very different time now. It's gotten tougher, I feel, because there was not that much exposure. There was social media bhi itna bada ho raha hai and all of that. So I feel I came at a slightly nicer time, and things just started going down from there.
Why?
No, as in terms of like
even better work today.
Yeah, you're doing better work and all of that, and then with experience you learn, you grow as an actor, as a person, you grow up. Like I was literally a baby when I started working, so it's a lot of changes come to you as organically while you're working. So I feel I'm a much different person than I was then. Yeah, and there are a lot of factors, like you end up becoming a part of it because it was a certain way, but then it gets made a certain way. Things change while you're shooting, and then you're just miserable. Like, what have I signed up for? And then your quality of work also goes down. You're like, you just don't want to be there. So I feel stuff like that has happened to me. But I would never disown a film. मैंने होशो आवाज में किया. Whatever I have to do, I have to do it well, and then move on. Everybody makes mistakes in their life. We are also the same. You just have to move on. Very good actor.
Fabulous, yeah.
Yeah. So I asked him also. He said I actually came to become an actor.
Really?
And then he ended up directing. So he's really got it, and I think he was just perfect for this role. He's playing my father, and he's playing a very like a full shark of a lawyer, and he's done it really, really well. Absolutely. I love working with them because they've really got me the nicest roles, and even, whether it's Dahar, whether it's System, I think it's been a really, really good journey, and it's a good working experience. They have great work ethic as well. So I feel nice here. I'm currently shooting for season 2, and in fact today Dahar completed 3 years since release. So yeah, exciting stuff.